Everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your third week of August reading start from the 15th through the 21st of August 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Virgo. Let's find out what is heading towards the Virgo people for this week time. And I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be included, so stay tuned. And yeah, while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. And you can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. And you can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started, Virgos. Let's find out what is heading towards you guys for this week time starting tomorrow. Let's begin. Queen of Swords paired up with Ace of Pentacles, paired with, wow, the Sun and the Justice. Wow, beautiful. Eight of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. And in the deck, we do have the King of Wands. Let's see one more card. King of Pentacles and the Chariot and the Six of Pentacles. You are going to feel very balanced in your life during this week time. Everything is going to be working out well for you. Your passion, your happiness, your work, your love life, everything will be going well for you during this week time. You will be pretty much aligned with all that you want, all that you desire. The reason why this is all happening right now is because this is divine time. I feel like, you know, there is somebody in your life, or it can be your own energy as well. It can be you manifesting this kind of smooth sailing towards what you are destined to have or be. It is something which is being manifested. It can be coming from your end. It can be coming from the person that you are dealing with. But yes, somebody, when I say manifesting, I don't think that it is more like, somebody's using the manifestation techniques to make it happen. I'm not picking up that energy at all. I feel like, you know, whoever it is that you are dealing with, or it can be your energy as well, you or the person that you are dealing with, they are so pure in terms of their intentions that they don't have to use their, you know, scripting techniques or affirmations, or to, you know, they don't need the tools to manifest anything. They just have that very calm and composed kind of personality. Somebody who's very, they are very sharp and clear in terms of what they want, and they have that very strong, firm belief that this is what they want, and they have a strong belief that nothing can fail in their life. If they want it, they know that the universe and the whole support system is with this person. It can be, again, your energy or the energy of the person that you're dealing with. And I feel like, you know, that person, you know, if it's you, then it's your energy, or if it's another person in your life, it's their energy. And I feel like, you know, this person is bringing forth all this, what is happening for you in your life. I feel like, you know, it's the energy of another person that you are dealing with, but the energies could be reversed for some of you as well. So yeah, but I feel like, you know, your life is going to feel very balanced during this week time. Everything, you will be having a lot of communication with this person that you might have not had with anyone in the recent times. And I feel like, you know, whoever this person is, you have known this person for quite some time. Maybe you were not talking to this person lately, but yes, now you are able to talk to this person. If you were not talking to this person, it was because either they were busy with their work or you were busy with their work. There has been a lack of passion for each other there. There was more of passion for your work, or more of passion for them for their work. And now it's like, you know, you or them are totally aligned with what they want, and now everything is working out well for them. Whether they are putting effort to make it happen now or they are not, it's gonna happen, because that the work that they wanted to do, or the work they had to do to get it, they have already done that. And now it's just that they are relaxing and manifesting, and, you know, just receiving. It's time for them to receive whatever they wanted. And I feel like, you know, that's the reason why the other person is, you know, now finally doing what they need to do, or what they were supposed to do earlier as well, but they were not ready. They always felt that, no, I have lots of work, I cannot manage this and that. But now everything is falling into place for them. They are now, like, you know, it seems like, you know, there is somebody, there is a bigger source here who is helping them to maintain a healthy balance. They, you know, if it was not them, it was not, them, if it wasn't this person here, the angel guide, spirit guide, God, universe, whatever you may call it, if that support was not there, this wouldn't be happening. Hold on, let me, okay, because I can't see that card, so let it be there. So yeah, if that, you know, if it was not because of the involvement of the universe or the support system there, it wouldn't be happening. And now this person, or maybe now you are, okay, hold on, that was the King of Pentacles that fell down. So somebody's putting their work behind, for sure, because that, I thought the card that fell down is the one coming from, you know, that was, you know, underneath the Six of Pentacles, but it was the King of Pentacles. So that you know, mindset is gone forever. So somebody is now being more passionate towards their love life. Somebody's being more passionate towards, you know, a specific someone. It can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you're dealing with, and things are moving very quick and fast in your love life, for sure. Again, it's coming because of one person. It can be you, it can be the person that you're dealing with. Things are going in the right direction, but again, I feel like, you know, there is a strong support, divine time that is happening right now, which is bringing you closer. So not you know, no work, nothing important that used to be important, like, you know, something I'm dealing with something important, I can give you time. I'm dealing with something this and that, I don't have time for you, for love and stuff. That's not going to happen now. You will be the priority, you will be the focus, you will be the passion, and that's how you are going to be having this connection moving forward during this week time. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Somebody has done that already, and now they are just receiving it. Now they are, you know, having it coming to them. It can be you again, it can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. But yes, it's happening now. It's whatever you wanted, whatever this person wanted in this connection, they are definitely having it. Let me take one more card from the top of the deck after this Knight of Pentacles here. Page of Swords and Eight of Pentacles. Seven of Cups, Four of Swords, King of Swords. I feel like, you know, whoever this person is, who had their guards up, I feel like, you know, now the whole focus, whole attention, no matter what comes up, like, you know, their work, responsibilities, whatever comes up, their focus will be pretty much on this person, whoever it is. Like, you know, it can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you're dealing with. But yes, somebody is not giving a shit to anything else but to this person and this relationship now. So yep, and I feel like, you know, it's being manifested, and then plus it's the divine time too. So yep, somebody's aligned with what they want, and that's how they, you know, things are evolving in this connection. So yep, let's see. Healer, you have a powerful healing gifts. Have faith in your abilities. Stay true to your path as a healer. You know, it could be the healer, like, you know, this person, whoever it is that you're dealing with, this person could be the one who has helped you heal and you didn't even know it. Or it could be reverse, maybe you have helped them. If they were the one who was not ready to take this connection serious or take this connection to the next level, they are the one who are getting healed by you. And you know, that's where the manifestation is coming from. So I feel like, you know, either one of you is definitely a healer for sure, or is intuitively very strong, which is why everything is working out so smoothly and very in a good way. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.